Hi, my name is Kendra and I'm a laser technician and skincare specialist at the Vanity Lab. So what exactly is retinol and why is every one of your technicians you come to see trying to get you on a retinol or recommending it? Retinol is an exfoliating, smoothing, anti-blemish, anti-aging powerhouse. And you can tell who's been on it. You'll see someone that has incredibly glowy, baby soft skin. Most likely they're using a retinol. How it works is retinol works by going deep into the skincare layers, and one of the major ways that it works is increasing the cell turnover of the skin. You've heard of skin cell turnover, but what exactly does this mean? Cellular turnover is the process of new cells basically pushing out the old damaged skin cells. How this happens is think of the new juicy plump skin cells in the lower levels of the skin slowly working their way up to the surface layers of the skin, maturing and flattening out. At this point towards the end, in those two top layers of the epidermis, they're essentially just dead keratinized protein. So why is this cell turnover important? When you're babies, this cell turnover of those new juicy cells working their way to the surface takes about 2 weeks. In your teens, it's gonna start to slow down already to 3 to 4 weeks. And then by adulthood, it's gonna take 6 weeks and even plus beyond that. And why that's important is because of that cell turnover slowing down, the surface of your skin is going to get more dull. You're going to get more dead skin buildup, which is going to make pores look more enlarged. You're going to get bacteria being trapped by those dead skin cells, causing acne. Fine lines are going to become more visible as well. You're going to get that tired looking skin. You're even going to have some darkening come about because of this, as irregular skin cells become trapped and create dark spots. So retinol is one of the ingredients that's well known to actually increase that cellular turnover. It's going to make the skin look a lot more bright. You're not going to get as many acne breakouts because it's going to cause kind of that exfoliation, and dark spots are going to be lightened as well. And like I said, because of that increase in cell turnover, your skin is going to look younger like it was in your younger years. So retinol is one of the most studied, clinically researched products, and what it's going to do is it's going to increase that cell turnover for you. And what that's going to mean is less fine lines, less acne breakouts, and discoloration is slowly going to fade as well. Retinol is also going to increase cellular proliferation. As we age, the amount of cells that our skin makes or regenerates slows down as well. Retinol is going to speed up this process. It's also going to boost that collagen production as well. Okay, so what is the difference then between a prescription retinol and something that's more of a medical grade retinol that we carry here? Basically, it comes down to retinoic acid. Basically, your prescription already contains this, and when you put it on your skin, it goes to work. With retinol, it has to make a conversion with the enzymes in the skin to convert to that retinoic acid once it hits the skin. Are you going to see more results with one versus the other? There's a lot of proven data that says retinol is going to get you to the same place as your prescription. It's just going to get there a little bit slower. But what that can mean for you is less of those anticipated reactions. These anticipated reactions that you will see with either one of those choices are usually going to be some redness. You can even see some rashes, some peeling, some stinging. These are all expected. It doesn't mean that you're allergic to the product. It means that it's a stronger ingredient that's working a bit harder for you. Your skin is going to get used to these reactions in 2 to 4 weeks. So push through it. It is something that will go away. Often this is the point in which most people quit retinol and they don't get to the rainbow on the other side. So continue to use it and you'll get over those reactions. If you want to start slowly, a lot of people will recommend starting your new retinol maybe 2 to 3 times a week and then building up with adding a day every 2 weeks. But you do want to start to get to a place where you're using it nightly to see the best results. So retinol can be confusing. It does fix a lot of issues within the skin, but there can be different retinols and different strengths that work best for you. That's why it is good to listen to your skincare professional. Again, email us or give us a call or come in for a consultation. We can find a retinol that fits best for what you're trying to fix with your skin, whether it be scarring, acne, fine lines, tons of pigmentation, and then we can work towards that goal. Retinol is one of those things that's going to give you the most glowy, bright, radiant, healthy skin, and if you haven't tried it, it's definitely time to take the step.